Hi there. Very quickly, I'm going to speak about the schemes, the schemes. There you go. Schemes of work that we have on my maths, my English, my topic, my science, and robotics and phonics. So all the schemes of work that you see are just my interpretation of how I would teach whatever the subject may be from my experience on my PGCE. It is very much based on my experience, and it's the best fit for the schools that I've been in at the time. Obviously, I've had to, with my own schemes of work and my own plans, I've had to adjust them for the ability of my children. The same you would have to do in your school. Also, with all the schemes of work, they are there to aid and support the ones that your school already has. Without a doubt, you probably have subject leaders, senior leadership team, and subject specialists or subject coordinators in your school. So they would have a best fit scheme of work for your school. So I wouldn't expect anything from any of these websites to replace it. However, again, as a newly qualified teacher, trainee, or NQT plus one, the workload is tiring, it's exhausting, so you might want something just to help you out along the way. Great, use something off this website. Um, Also, as well, as a really good example, my schemes of work, not so much in maths. Maths are pretty much robust and standalone, but for everything else, they don't teach direct application. They're only there to support. Like if you take robotics and phonics as an example, I don't teach you how to do the split digraphs. I don't teach you how to apply trigraphs. That's something that your children should already know how to do with whatever scheme that you're using. But the whole robotics and phonics, it's just a fun way to apply it. So your children will need some prior knowledge before they could actually use some of the schemes that we have or some of the PowerPoints or resources. So it's worth having, a good look around anything that you download, anything that you use, vetting it, making sure that it's applicable for your classroom. And another point, a lot of the PowerPoints as well and a lot of the resources are open-ended for you to do that anyways, in the sense of they will have blank spaces for you to add your grammar, for you to add your numbers, or for you to add your phonics. That's the whole point. You differentiate it for your class or for the schemes that you already use. So, yeah, that is pretty much it about our schemes of work. Have a browse, have a look on the TES website, and enjoy.